Welcome to Max's Fun with Dhamilson channel. So in the last class we discussed about that specimen paper of 2025, paper 2 we discussed. So now we are going to discuss paper 4 extended part. In that paper 4 I already told you we are using calculator, it is allowed, but it is also same weightage 100 mark. Okay, so from this one CIE assessment of paper 4 from the 2025 onwards will be the same pattern going to follow for all the three series. Okay, so now let me directly go to the problems. First, before going to discuss about the answer, look at the instruction. You must attend all the question, and also sometimes we can use that appropriate value, the dp. See, the resultant will be in 1 dp for angles also. Accuracy is required. Okay, that you have to read that instructions very clearly. Fine. Okay, and also this time from this 2025 onwards, the list of formulas sheet also has been added. It's very plus for us. Okay, fine. So now directly we'll moving on with the first problem. Write down the integer values of x that satisfy the inequalities. So the inequalities range between minus 2 less than or equal to plus 2. So very clearly which they are given, minus 2 less than or equal to, so 2 also has been included. So minus 2 also included, then minus 1, 0, plus 1, 2 is not included, so that there are 4 integers, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So very simple to get 2 marks. Fine. Moving forward with question number 2, it is a construction part. In a triangle PQR, QR is the length will be 10 centimeter and PR will be 11 centimeter. So already it is a PQ value has been given. Okay, that line segment has been given. From that you have to make a triangle using a ruler and compasses only. You have to construct triangle PQR. Okay, fine. So it's very simple. The both end we have P and Q will be based on Q. We need one more vertex will be R acute. So that Q to R 10 centimeter given from the compass. From Q take 10 centimeter from Q. You have to cut one arc from that value. Then from P to R 11 centimeter to take. From here the compass, place the compass here, intersect the arc. Okay, then the meeting point make it as R, then join PR and QR, you will get a record triangle. Fine. So then moving forward with the next one, simplify x power 8 y power 7 divided by x power minus 1 y power 3. It's very simple. You know very well already algebraic indices, all that laws of exponent also you studied. So x power 8 divided by x power minus 1 we will write as x power 8 minus of minus 1 into y power 7 minus 3. So x minus of minus plus, so directly I am writing the result x power 9 y power 4. Okay, so our answer is x power 9 y power 4. That's all. So very simple. Then moving forward with the question number 4, the functions f of x equal to 3x minus 5. The domain of the function is the input has been given minus 3, 0, 2 in the set. Just substitute the output value will be here the range. So f of minus 3, instead of the function x place you have to substitute as minus 3. 3 times of minus 3, minus 9 minus 5 will be minus 14. Then f of 0 mean minus 5. Then f of 2, 3 times of 2, 6 minus 5, 1. So the domain minus 14, minus 5, 1. In the domain of the function, input minus 3, 0, 2, substituting in the function, the range is minus 14, minus 5 and plus 1. Very simple. Moving forward with question number 5. So from the bearings concept, the town there are two towns has been given A and B. Two towns A and B are shown on a map. The scale of the map is 1 centimeter equal to 3 kilometer. So very clearly given 1 centimeter equal to 3 kilometer. Find the actual distance A to B. Okay, from the ruler we can measure from the distance A to B. If you are measuring, you will be getting as what length you have from A to B. Then each centimeter they are telling us 3 kilometer. When you are measuring in your ruler, you will be getting 11.1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be equal to here 3 kilometers. So 11.1 into 3, if you are multiply, you will be getting 33.3. So our answer is 33.3 kilometer. So very simple. Measure the bearing of B from A. So very clearly it is given B from A. B from A in the sense, so always you have to make the directions of north and south. B from A very clearly they told. So I'm measuring from here. So this is so this length only. B from A mean this one. I thought very easy, we can easily measure from with the help of protractor. When you are measuring, you will be getting 118 degree you are getting. So note down the answer here. So calculate the bearing of A from B. So A from B in the sense this one, always have to go with in a clockwise direction from the north. So there are two ways to calculate, which mean here in the parallel line, this is a sum of same side angle will make 180. Like that you have to find interior, or else you can connect extending this line. I'll go with some other color. Extending this line, it will be coming straight line. So this will be the corresponding angle. So 180. This will be a straight line in the sense 180. So if you are adding 180 plus 118, you will get 298 degree. So this is what the bearing of A from B. Okay, this is one method. Another method we have, that also I will be explaining here. You can go like that. So second method is this one. I will erase and then I will explain. Instead of expanding, very simple. So this angle, see, this will be 118 mean this will be what value? First you have to check it out, because sum of same side angle, the transversal will make this will be 180. So this will be 62 degree. But we need only this part. Is it correct? So now this will be the 180 degree. So this will be his alternate angle. So this and this angles are alternate angles are always equal. So here 118. So 118 plus 180, you will be getting 298. So there are two ways to calculate the answer. Okay, if not 360 degree minus, if not 360 degree minus 62, you can put that also. You'll be getting 298 because it's a complete angle. In the complete angle, 62 alone you have to remove. You'll be getting 360 minus 62. You'll be getting as 298. So all the way you can go. Anyhow, the board key we are given as 298 degree. That is absolutely correct. Okay. So moving forward with the next question, sixth question. From the measurement, a solid metal cuboid has a volume of 600 centimeter cube. The base of the cuboid is 10 centimeter by 12 centimeter. Calculate the height of the cuboid. So very simple thing. You know very well how to calculate volume of cuboid. So length into breadth into height, whose volume already given is 600 centimeter cube. So then base of the cuboid, in the base always you have length and breadth, height alone missing. So 10 into 12. 10 into 12 into h equal to 600. So h equal to 600 by 120. 0 0 cancel. Actually use a calculator, we can use 1 times of 12, 5 times of 12 will be 60. I'm not using here calculator, but calculator is allowed. You don't waste your time. Quickly you can apply. We'll get the result in examinations. Fine. So the sixth question, subdivision B, let we go now. The solid metal cuboid is melted and made into 1120 spheres, each with radius 0.45 centimeter. Find the volume of metal not used in making these spheres. Okay, not making these spheres mean first volume of sphere. So for this you no need to remember any formula, because they already very clearly I told you the formula sheet has been added. Look at here, in the formula sheet itself we having volume of sphere formula is there. I will be underlining and so case to you. So all the formula has been given. So volume of the sphere is here 4 by 3 pi r cube. So same set of formula you can take here. So here it is, volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so the radius has been given as 0.45. so I will be substituting here 4 by 3 pi 0.45 cube. You can apply in the calculator. Okay, use the calculator. Then you will be getting as 0.3817 something is going centimeter cube. But what they are telling, the solid metal cuboid is melted and made into 1120 sphere. So same thing for one sphere, for the 0.45 radius we are getting this much volume, mean for 1120. So for 1120 you have to multiply 1120 into 0.3817 using calculator. You will be getting 427 point some other value. I will be making 1 dB, 427.5. okay, but they are very clearly telling the metals not used to making the sphere. So overall we have 427.5 is required. But from the beginning of the question what they are given mean, from the beginning look at the A subdivision, the solid metal cuboid has a volume is 600 centimeter cube. So not used mean you have to subtract from this value. So not used value is 600 minus 427.5. You'll be getting as 172.4 and so on you are getting. So this is the right answer, 172.4. Very clear. That is 172.5 we can put. Okay, so 172.5. So 172.5 centimeter cube. So I hope you understand well. So moving forward with the next one, seventh question. On any day, the probability that it rains is 1 by 3. When it rains, the probability that Amira goes fishing is 3 by 5. When it does not rain, the probability that Amira goes fishing is 3 by 4. Okay, so very simple. In a period of 60 days, on how many days is it expected to rain? Yeah. So this one, the probability is a tree diagram concept. We already discussed here, all know very well in our syllabus. This is very important. Definitely one question will be coming from these regions. Many past papers I saw this kind of question pattern. So very clearly they are given is probability that happen to rains is 1 by 3. So in a period of 60 days mean 60 into 1 by 3, which is 20. So how many days? 20 days to get a rain. Okay, complete the tree diagram, rain and fishing. See, 1 by 3 yes mean for no. Out of 3, 1 days getting rain mean remaining 2/3. That is 2 by 3 no. So again yes for 3, fishing is 3/5 mean for no is 2/5. That is 2 by 5. Then they are giving when it does not rain, the probability that Amira goes for fishing is does not no mean here 3 by 4. Okay, then yes 1/4, 3/4 and 1/4. So very simple. No is 1 by 4, yes 3 by 4. Okay, so we finished this tree diagram. From the based on the tree diagram we have to, in the tree diagram we have to find the probability that on any day Amira goes fishing. Okay, any days. Yeah, then what are the way? Any days they are telling what are the possible way we have. See, yes, first for yes we can go this way, then this way, no, yeah, okay, which means 1/3 into 3 by 5 plus 2/3 into 3 by 4, simplifying 3 by 15, 6 by 12, then I told you you can use the calculator. When you are simplifying, you will be getting 7 by 10, 0.7 or 7 by 10, both are correct. Clear? So very simple. So next, moving forward with the 8th one. Okay, so very important this one, linear inequalities. This regions, bounded regions, how to identify in the linear programming concept. So on the grid, draw the line y equal to x. See, both are same, mean you will be getting the same coordinates. 0 means 0, 1 means 1. So like that you will be getting. So 1, 1, 2, 2. You will be getting all the point like this. This is what y equal to x. This is what y equal to x. Then x plus y equal to 7, that also we need to draw. I will go with some other color. When you are substituting x equal to 0 mean y equal to 7 will be, you have to place here. Then x equal to 1 mean y equal to 6. So getting down I thought. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you'll be getting like this. Yeah. This is for x plus y equal to 7. Okay, this one easily 3 mark over. Then region R we need to find. Region R satisfy the 3 inequalities. Y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, it is upward. All the region above fully. Then y less than or equal to x. Okay, on the layer here. X plus y. Okay, x plus y greater than or equal to 7. Which, yes, this one. Okay, which mean this region. This region you have to mark it as R. 1 mark simply will get. Is it correct? Then moving forward with question number 9. Yeah, it is a very simple concept, speed and time graph. Find the deceleration of the car between 10 and 13 second. 10 and 13 second. So this region where it is getting down. So this region. Okay, so from here it is the total speed will be, deceleration will be here. You have to calculate speed by the time, that is 8 by 3. We can mention in a decimal or mixed number 1, 2 by 3 or 8 by 3, both you can write. Calculate the total distance traveled during 13 seconds. Total durance, look at here, there are two shapes we bounded here. One, it is this region. This region is rectangle. This region is triangle. Area of the rectangle is, see, look at here, 10 into 8. This 8. This will be 10 mean 10 into 8, 80. This is 80 meter. So here will be 10 into 13 is 130. Sorry, not 13. Here will be 3. Here will be 8. 8 into 3, 24. That is half BH. 8 into 3, 24 by 2 is 12. So 80 meter plus 12 meter is 92 meter. So the total distance traveled during the 13 seconds is what? 92 meter. That's all we have. Then moving forward with 10th question. Factorize 2x plus 6 minus 3xy minus 9y. It's a very easy, simple pattern. Factorize, I told you, we have to take two terms first, and then which is common we can take out. So first two terms, the next two term. The first two term 2x plus 6 we can take 2 common out. So x plus 3. Second two terms we can take minus 3y, remaining x plus 3. Now again you can take x plus 3 common out. You will get 2 minus 3y. So x plus 3 of 2 minus 3y. So simply you will get 2 mark. Very simple. So step by step if you are going mean, it is very easy. Moving forward with question number 11 is a Venn diagram concept. That also very easy. The total element will be here, that is 20. The number of A union B, the complement will be 3. N of A will be 10. N of B will be 13. The Venn diagram shows some of this information. Okay, see outside we have 20. Out of total 20, we are outside of A union B and outside 3 given. Okay, then one more condition given, A union B. So when you are adding A union B, when you are adding this total overall, okay, excluding the complement 3 means that will be, you have to subtract, it will be either 17 will be coming. So fine, it's very simple. That A union B will be getting 17 because already outside 3 is there overall from the 20. And also number of value of N of A will be, must be 10, from B is here 13. So common value very simple to easily get back. See here is 6, here 4, here 7. Now look at here, the N of A will be 6 plus 4 10, here 6 plus 7 13. So overall will be, I told you here 17 plus 3 20 you are getting. So very simple. So number of A intersection B is what here, 6 alone. Then A complement intersection B, A complement in the sense only excluding this region, which means 7 alone is there. A complement intersection B, so that also will be 7 only. This 7 is the answer. So very easy. Moving forward with the next question. Okay, calculate the estimate of the mean. So the height at centimeter of each of 100 students is measured. The table shows the result, height and frequency based on the interval. Okay, we know very well how to calculate this interval based on median. Mean is mean equal to summation f of x by summation f, we studied, which mean mid value into frequency. What is the mid value for 100 and 150? Add these two values divided by 2, you will be getting mid value. 100 plus 150, 250. So 250 by 2 is what? 125. So mid value have to calculate for everything. So 125. For this one is 310. 310 by here is 155, the mid value. Here the mid value is 162.5. Then here 175. Very simple, just easily we can do. Formula if you know mean, rest of things we can easily do. So I will remove the formula, then directly I will be multiplying and adding. How to do in exam point, because they are allocating very small amount of space. How to do I am telling. See 125 into 7, that mid value into frequency, and then 155 into 30 plus 162.5 into 4 plus 175 into 22 divided by 100. Use calculator. 1283 by 3 will be getting, that is 160.375. 160.375 centimeter will be getting the mean. So very simple concept. Okay, it's because calculator allowed, that's why I'm directly doing. You have to use the calculator, verify, you will get the result. Moving forward with the question number 13. The diagram shows a quadrilateral ABCD formed from two triangles such as ABC and ACD. ABC is a right angle triangle, they very clearly telling. So BAC, we need A angle, that is BAC from this one. This one we need angle A, we need. Okay, so right angle triangle, very simple. Okay, so right angle triangle, we can go with the trigonometry concept. So this is a perpendicular, this one. Okay, this one is base, perpendicular, everything we are given. Okay, directly we can go with the tan theta. So we can apply tan theta. So 14 by 12. So then what is the theta? Tan inverse of 7 by 6. Tan inverse of 7 by 6, if you are applying in a calculator, you will get 49.396 something you are getting, keep on going. So 49.41 dB you can put. Okay, Next one, calculate the length BD. Okay, the BD length, so we need to connect perpendicularly. The BD distance we need, this length we need. You look at here, now we have the triangle ABD. So ABD, look at here, then it is very simple. When we know two other side and included angle we know mean, we can easily find the third side. Overall angle we know that 62 here, it is 49.4 here. So this side we can use cos rule here. So very simple. So BD equal to root of what, 12 square plus 15 square minus 2 into 12 into 15 into cos, here 62 plus here will be is 49.4. You'll be getting 111.4. Using the calculator you will be getting 22.368. you keep on going, so 22.41 dB I am writing. So 22.4 is the right answer. So moving forward, next one, calculate the shortest distance from D to AC. Okay, from D to AC, which means this distance they are asking. D to this one. Okay, we can mark some other name here. A, B, C, D, E we can mark here. This DE distance we need. I thought this will be one of the triangle. Okay. So it's perpendicular. We can apply here. I thought sine theta, sine 62, sine 62 degree equal to DE by 15. You want DE alone. So 50 DE equal to 15 into sine 62 degree. If you are applying in a calculator, you will be getting 13.2. You are getting 1 dpm directly did 3 mark easily will get. So very easy problem. Next, moving forward with then compound interest and simple interest concept. This is very important. So definitely we will expect this kind of question in the board examinations from this SI and CI concept. Okay, the Hong has $4,000 to invest. The C invest rupees $2,000 at a rate of 2.5% per year, simple interest. C also invest $2,000 at a rate of 2% per year, compound interest. Find the value of each investment at the end of 8 years. So at the end of 8 years, we need to calculate. Simple interest is very simple. Just now I told both we can do from here itself, simple interest as well as compound interest. So SI, simple interest, what formula? We know that PRT by 100. So we can directly apply 2000 is principal, rate of interest 2.5, time period is 8 years by 100. You will be getting as 400 directly. But this, you know very well, amount equal to principal plus interest. So that 2000 plus 400, 2400. So simple interest investment, how much they are getting? 2400. For CI, the same thing. Formula is different. Amount equal to P of 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. So we can directly go this one also. Here it is 2000, same principle. Rate of interest will be here 2, not a 2.5. So 2 by 100 whole power 8. When you are using calculator, you will be getting 2343.32 something going. 2 dB I can put 2343.32 from the compound interest. Very simple. Find the overall percentage increase in the $4,000 investment at the end of 8 years. Okay, this easily you know very well how to calculate percentage increase from the amount how much is increased. Okay, so the overall investment here it is will be as here 4,000 overall investment, we know that, and then overall profit will be simple interest and compound interest both you have to add together. So 2400 plus 2343.32, when you add up you will be getting 4743.42. Okay, so the percentage increase equal to how much variation is there? 743.32 from the 4000 into 100. Use a calculator, you will get 18.583, something is going on. So 2 dp I can take 18.58 percentage. So very simple. It is a continuation also is there. So the next we'll go ahead. Find the number of complete years it takes for the compound interest investment of 2000 to become greater than 2500. Look at here. So which year coming 2500? We know very well, already we did for 8 years. 8 year itself we are getting 2300 something. So roughly we will go with above 8, then only we'll get back. Okay, so above 8 year only will be roughly will be getting 2500. So you are having calculator is there. Okay, but you have to go with the proper procedure. How to go mean I'll tell you now. See, that amount will be 2500 greater than telling means 2500, which is equal to principal is 2000 1 plus r by 100. That is r also we know very well, it is 2. Directly I am doing 2 by 100 whole power. T alone we don't know time period, but we know the hint is definitely above 8 because for 8 year itself we are getting 2343 something. So we need above 2500 mean, so above 8 year. Is it correct? So we can use the calculator, we can easily get back the same pattern. I'll be simplified version I'll be telling now. So 2500 by 2000. So here is 100 plus 2, 102 by 100, we can write 1.02 the whole power t. We can simplify here 5 by 4. Okay, if your t value substituting here will be 9, 10, 11 like that. If you are substituting, okay, you will get the value of above 2500. When you will be getting mean, use a calculator. When you are substituting t equal 12, you will be getting above the 2500. So therefore t equal to here 12 years. So very simple, but the steps are mandatory. Okay, next one, the same pattern here also. Alan invests $5,000 at a rate of R percentage per year. Compound interest at the end of 15 years, the value of the investment is 7566. So we don't know the rate of interest, but we know the time period is 15 years. After 15 years, you are getting a 7566. So the same compound interest only. Let me go ahead. So R only we record. So 7566 equal to 5000 of 1 plus r by 100 whole power 15. So 7566 by 5000, which is equal to 100 or else 1 plus r by 100 whole power 15. Okay, so this is also very simple, because calculator allowed, so that very easy only, so nothing difficult. Then we can go with, actually we are here 15, no, so inverse we can take this by 7566 by 5000 1 by 15, then this side coming minus 1, then multiplied with 100, which is equal to r. Using the calculator you will be getting as 2.799 something going. So 2 dp they told, so 2.780 we can put 2.80 or 2.8. Okay, 2.80 percentage we can use it. After 15 years you'll be getting 7566. So very simple. So I hope you understand. Then moving forward with the 15th question, y equal to root of u square x. Find the value of y. Find the value of y when u equal to 7 and x equal to 25. So directly substitute, very simple. So finding the value of y alone, so substituting you'll be getting back. So I'll do here. So y equal to root of 7 square into 25, which mean root of shall I write 7 square into 5 square, you can take out 7 into 5, that is 35. So y value is 35. Very simple. Rearrange the formula to write x in terms of u and y. Okay, the y square equal to u square x. I am taking square on the both sides from here, so root going to eliminate because I won't write in terms of x here. So that x equal to y square by u square. So you can stop from here, or else y by u the whole square, both are correct. So y square by u square. So very simple, then good. We will go with the 16th question. A is the point 7, 2 and B is the point -5, 8. Calculate the length of AB. Yeah, the distance between the 2 points. There are 2 ways to do, by using the vector concept or else by going with the normal distance formula is fine. You know that how to calculate distance between the 2 points. That is x2 minus x1 the whole square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square y2 minus y1 the whole square. So that will be directly getting, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So minus 5 minus 7 will be here minus 12 the whole square. So then my 8 minus 2 will be here 6 square root of, using calculator you will be getting 13.4. that is our answer. Okay, so moving forward, find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to AB and passes through the point -1, 3. Give your answer in the form of y equal to mx plus c, straight line equation. So for straight line equations, you know that making equation formula. So y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. We need a slope first. So the distance, the point AB, no, AB already has been given here. So we have to calculate the gradient, that is slope we need to calculate. Usually how to calculate slope for the two given point. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. When you are applying here 8 minus 2 by minus 5 minus 7, that is 6 by minus 12 minus 1 by 2. So we got slope 1 is minus 1 by 2. But we are going to draw a line perpendicular to the AB. So we need slope 2. It is a perpendicular, mean the condition is product of the slope will be equal to -1 from m2 equal to -1 by, here is coming 2 by -1, that is minus cancel 2. So the slope is 2. We got m is 2 and the point also we know that this is x1, this is y1. Substitute directly, we will get the equation. So I will erase this one alone. Here I will write y minus 3 equal to 2 times of x minus of -1, which means plus 1. Then y equal to 2x plus 2 plus 3, that is 2x plus 5. So we got the equation y equal to 2x plus 5. So very simple, easily will secure a 4 mark from this pattern. Okay, so we will moving with question number 17. It is a triangle. It is a not right angle triangle, but it is not to scale. The area of the triangle is 50 centimeter square. Calculate the value of sin x. Okay, this is a very simple. We know that how to calculate area of triangle usually. So area of half into AB sin theta. So here sin x is there. So sin area has been given 50 equal to sin x into half into 18 into 13 into sin x. Transposing this side, 50 into 200, 100 by 18 into 13, we will be getting sin x equal to 0.4273. Keep on going, so 0.4273. Okay, so very simple to calculate this one. Then moving to question number 18, 3y by 2y minus 1 equal to 3 by 4. 3y by 2y minus 1 equal to 3 by 4. So very simple to solve with this one. Cross multiply 3y into 4 will be 12y. So 3 times of 2y minus 1. So 12y equal to 6y minus 3. Then 12y minus 6y is 6y equal to minus 3. Y equal to minus 3 by 6. That is minus 1 by 2 you are getting. Okay, but you have to solve only this allocated space. For better understanding, I'm writing little big font here, but you have to write in examinations in that region alone. Fine. Okay, moving forward, question number 19. The cross section of a prism is an equilateral triangle of side 6 cm. The length of the prism is 20 cm. Calculate the total surface area TSC of the prism they are asking. Okay. So it's a very simple thing only, it's nothing difficult. But if you know the formula and then how it will be, the prisms will be there, then only you can easily calculate. Otherwise, for you, little tough only. Okay, so roughly I'll be draw a picture here for imagination. So you have to consider like this. I'm not drawing accurately. So here the cross section of prism is an equilateral triangle. So equilateral they are dealing. So this will be equilateral means 6, 6, 6. Everything will be 6 cm in the triangle. Then calculate total surface area of the prism. The length of the prism is 20. This one is 20 cm. Okay, we know very well how to calculate area of triangle, because we can take this one triangle as well as rectangle. 3 sector of rectangle is there, 2 sector of triangle is there. So area of triangle, we know that how to calculate. Just now we studied half AB sine theta. So theta is here equilateral triangle mean all angles are 60 degree. So half into A is, that is 6 into sine 60, will be getting as 18. Yeah, then root 3 by 2 if you are applying mean 9 root 3 you are getting. Okay, one triangle you are getting 9 root 3 means there are two set of triangle. So the area of triangle will be 18 root 3. Fine, but still we need to calculate rectangle region, 3 set of the part. So we know very well area of rectangle is L into B, 20 into 6 is 120, but there we have 3 rectangles there. So area of rectangle 3 times of 120 will be as 360. The total surface area TSA equal to 360 plus 18 root 3. Use a calculator. 18 root 3 value is 1.73. Something will be there. You can multiply, will get. So you'll be total value is 391.176. Keep on going. So 391.176. Clear? So very simple. Then moving on, question number 20. 20 is very simple. Y equal to 2x power k plus ux power 7 and dy by dx. Look at here. The first order derivative from the given function 18x power k minus 1 plus 21x power 6. So find the value of k. So here which value, the 2x power k, what value if you are applying k, after derivative you will be getting here 18. So 2 into 9, I thought you can put 9, then n minus 1 will be getting here, I thought perfectly will be getting. So here it is, k value is 9. Similarly the u value is here, same set of value, ux power 7 equal to 21x power 6. So here u value we can easily put here also. See what value when you are applying, will be getting 7 into 3 only will be getting 21. So we can u will be here 3 is perfectly correct. Good, fine. Moving forward with 21st, simplify is very simple problem. See, from the numerator we can take 5p is common out, remaining p minus 4. Denominator is we can take 2 alone outside, p square minus 16. So p square minus 16 we can write as p square minus 4 square, that is a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b, like a p plus 4 into p minus 4. P minus 4 cancel. So remaining is 5p by 2 times of p plus 4. This is your result. or else 5p by 2p plus 8, that also correct. So very simple. So moving forward with 22nd question. So this one, look at here, is a vector concept. The diagram shows triangle OPT. In the diagram, OT is equal to T vector, OP is P vector, OK is that is ratio. Okay, OK is to KT is a 2:1 ratio, TL is to LP is 2:1. Find in terms of T and P in its simplest form. Okay, the PL vector here, see the PL. So this one PL will be coming from this region to this region. Okay, the P vector, that is very simple. The overall from the PT, I am telling here PT, it is reverse opposite direction, so minus P plus T. Then look at here, OK value will be what? Because very clearly telling 2:1 mean that is 2/3 of T, this is 1/3 of T. Then here also they are very clearly TL will be 2:1 mean here also 2/3 of 2/3, here 1/3. I'm right. So we need what? PL vector. So PL vector is secured. PL will be the directions moving from this way. So minus P plus T of this value from the PL. So 1/3. So 1/3 of minus P plus T. So very simple. Then KL vector, look at here, KL in the sense, I'll be using another color, KL. Okay, so this will be KT and this region, KT plus TL. So KL vector equal to KT plus TL. Here 1/3 of T plus TL is 2/3 of P minus T. Just multiply inside the bracket, 1/3 of T plus 2P by 3 minus 2T by 3. So my 2T by 3 minus 2T by 3, 1T3 by 3 will be equal to 2P by 3 minus T by 3. So properly how to do, don't get confused, it's very simple. KL is extended to the point M. Km vector is minus 2/3 of T plus 4/3 of P, so that M lies on OP extended. Okay, so we are going to extend this one in that OP. So I am going to extend this one in the region picture. From this one KM, okay, so this way it's going to meet, this is one KM, it is extended. Okay, so the region coming towards this way. So they are telling us, okay, we can calculate from here to this base OM, the OM vector equal to 2/3 of T minus 2/3 of T plus 4 minus 3 into P, both will be cancelled, 4/3 of P. Exactly correct. Yeah, so now see 4/3 of P mean will be, that will be 2/3 of, so it is a multiple of OP only, is it correct? So multiple of OP only. So therefore OM vector is a multiple of OP. Fine. So moving forward with 23rd question. So almost we are close together. We are having overall 24 problems there. The last one, last two problem we have. 23rd. So search box 7.9 kilometer, correct to nearest 100 meters. The walk takes 133 minutes, correct to the nearest minute. Calculate the maximum possible average speed of search walk. Give your answer in kilometer per hour. Oh, kilometer per hour. So nearest 100. So nearest 100 we already studied in lower bound and upper bound concept. So kilometer they are given. We have to convert into meter. 7.9 kilometer, if I am converting as a meter, mean 7,900 meter. So in the 7900 meter, I want to write as lower bound mean. What is half of the value of 100 is 50. So I have to make it as lower bound mean subtract. So 7850. Then upper bound mean you have to add by 50. So 7950 meter. Then likewise timing also given, because average speed means distance by time. So here is a distance we taken. Time period is also you need to take it as nearest minute they are telling. So it is 133 mean. 133 is based on multiple of 10. Then half of the value is 5. So upper bound, first lower bound 132.5, upper bound is 133.5. So average speed only we need, distance by time. So you have to take the big value 7950 132.5. 7950 by 132.5. But they very clearly they are telling the result must be in a kilometer per hour, so that you have to multiply by 60 into here 1000. Use a calculator, you will be getting the result is 18 by 5, that is 3.6 you are getting. 3.6 kilometer per hour. Use a calculator, calculators are allowed so that easy to calculate. Then final question coming up with the last one. The straight line y equal to 2x plus 1 intersect the curve y equal to x square plus 3x minus 4 at the points a and b. Find the coordinates of a and b. Q or answer correct to 2 decimal places. Very simple. Both are intersecting in the curve. So equate both the values y. So 2x plus 1 equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. Simplifying, you'll be getting x square plus x minus 5 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. So you can use that minus b plus or minus. That formula also has been given in the formula sheet. The first page, look at here. All the formulas, see area of triangle formula, cosine rule formula. Next look at here the quadratic formula. So please go through that formula sheet. Everything you have minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Use this formula. Then here a value is 1, b value is 1, c value is minus 5. If you apply, you will get there are two x value. One it is 1.79, another one it is minus 2.79. 1.79, 2.79. Substitute this value in the y equal to 2x plus 1. If you are substituting first point 1.79, you will be getting 4.58. When you are substituting minus 2.79, you will be getting minus 4.58. So that's all we have. All the 24 problems in 100 mark fully we discussed from the extended. So please share this videos to your colleagues and your friends, make them to subscribe my channel. So keep on watching my channel. Definitely I'll be posting all the past papers then coming from the upcoming days. Also I'm going to put for individual chapter videos. It will be helpful to learn the concept easily. Okay, so if you feel difficult to understand, please pause the video and then you can write the notes, or else download the videos, you can get the ideas. Okay, but one thing I want to tell you, because if I am writing from the screen recording, so that if the font is not that clear, make the quality in your video when you are streaming the videos, check the quality. In that quality you have to put high definitions like a 720 pixels, or else 720 is fine. You don't put 1080 and all. If you're putting in, it was too much clarity is not required. 720 pixel is enough. And also you can put CC will be in that subtitle also, you can add up. You will be getting very clear informations. I hope you all enjoy this videos. So I thought already paper 2 I posted. This is paper 4. So overall package of both extended paper specimen copy of 2025 series is getting over. So after this I am going to post a new video later, that is core series also. Core series also video also going to get very soon, paper 1 and 3. Okay, so thank you for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.